Hi boys and girls, this activity is called Pick the Caption. So what we're going to do is you're going to be circling the caption that correctly matches the photograph. So let's take a look at this first photograph. Look closely at all the details that you see in the photograph. I'm going to read these three captions and you're going to circle which one correctly matches. Let's start with the first one. Kids have to ride in a crowded car to get to school. Second one, the kids do not like going to school. Or the third one, it is hot in the car. By looking at the photograph, which caption correctly matches what you see in the photograph? Go ahead and circle. All right, let's take a look at our next photograph right here. I'm going to start with the first choice. The students have to dress warm because it is very cold. Or the kids have a good day at school. Or the last choice, the students like to build snowman at recess. Which caption correctly matches this photograph? Go ahead and circle. And the last photograph down here. The first one says, people love living in Ghana. The next one, Ghana is a very busy city. Or the last one, it snows in the winter in Ghana. Which caption correctly would match this photograph? And if you need any of them read again, go back in your video and listen to them again and circle the correct caption.